Hello everybody, this is Chris from ASL Basics. I just wanted to give you a quick update on some exciting content that is currently in the works. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. So number one is going to be daily signs. This is something that I just started on Instagram and a lot of people are finding it very helpful. So what I'll do is I'll just record a single sign. I'll post a caption to what that sign is, and that way you're able to learn a little bit of sign language and a little bit of vocabulary every single day. And after all, consistency is king. So if you're interested on getting in on that action, you can follow me on Instagram at ASL Basics with Chris. The second thing I wanted to let everybody know is that I'm going to start doing weekly lessons. So that means that I'm going to be doing the same kinds of lessons that I have been doing with ASL Basics. However, I'm going to be doing them on a much more regular basis. So I will start releasing one lesson a week every Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. So for instance, this coming Tuesday, I will be posting the last lesson in a 3-part series about numbers. So in that last video, you're going to be able to sign any number in American Sign Language. It's pretty exciting, so I hope you were able to check it out this Tuesday. So this third one that I'm going to be talking to you about is actually the one I'm most excited about. It's going to be special content. So what does special content mean? Well, let me tell you a quick little story. So this last Saturday, I had posted on Instagram letting everybody know that I was going to the Fresno Chaffee Zoo to go film a special episode of ASL Basics. So I was asking what kind of animals would they be interested in learning in ASL. One of the people that actually works at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo reached out to me and let me know that they know sign language. So after chatting for a little bit, we ended up arranging for an interview to take place at the Fresno Chaffee Zoo, and we just talked about sign language things. What was it like for her to learn sign language? What were some of the things that she found difficult with learning sign language? How did knowing sign language help her out with her job working at the zoo? And we just kind of laughed about some of the signs that we liked for different animals, and it was a pretty good interview. So I will actually be posting that full interview on YouTube in the near future. In addition to that interview, I will also be posting up a special video of us going through the Fresno Chaffee Zoo, going to the different animals and showing you how to sign those different animals. And many of those were actually suggestions that I've gotten from Instagram. And of course, I also have some other ideas for some special content, but those were just the 3 main things that I wanted to update everybody on: the daily signs, the weekly lessons on a regular schedule, and also special content that is all in the works. So I hope you're as excited as I am about all this new content coming out. So again, follow me on Instagram at ASL Basics with Chris. Subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so you can stay up to date with all the newest ASL lessons and also for that special content. And before I go, let me know what kind of special content might you be interested in. Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully this video wasn't too long, but I want to thank you for making it to the very end. And until next time, I'll see you later. Hi! Hi! I'm still got like 2 or 3 minutes left.